The first step is to simply open up the App Store and simply download this app, which is called Pass2 Wallet. And basically this app will allow us to add our driver's license, and it's completely free. So simply download it and then simply open it. And once you get here, you're gonna have to simply tap on Pass Store at the bottom. And from here, you're gonna have to simply search for driver. Now, as you can see, we have different options. So depending on your country and your state, you're gonna have to simply tap on any of these. And then what we're gonna have to do next is simply enter our driver's license details here. So as you can see, we have the North Carolina driver license. So simply tap on next. And now here we can simply enter the driver license number, the address, the name, and then simply tap on done in the top right corner. And basically we're gonna have to simply tap on add, and basically that's all we have to do. Now if we go to our wallet, we should see the driver license right here. So basically that's all we have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.